Come test drive the 2019 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto off headlights, remote vehicle start, running boards. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.